Until now, you probably believe that once you start wearing glasses, you can get rid of them. Today, I'm going to share an experience with you that will definitely motivate you. And if you start following this, you can get rid of even the thickest glasses. You have to put 11 drops inside your nose and then see what miracle happens to you, what exactly to use and how to do it. I'll explain everything to you. A few days ago, or rather a few months ago, a teacher came to see me. He requested that I not mention his name, perhaps for some reason. So this teacher came in wearing thick glasses. For the past few days, my vision has become extremely poor, and I don't want to tell anyone because my job is as a teacher. I don't want to lose my job as that would have a huge impact on my family. So what should I do? I asked him if he hadn't gotten it treated. He said that he had gone to the biggest hospitals. It's been about 1.5 months like this. I've been taking medicine and have visited all the hospitals. Many doctors had given up, and everyone was saying that now it's difficult for your eyesight to return, and it might be possible that you lose your vision completely. He was being brought in by someone holding his hand. His wife was holding his hand and bringing him. She would take him to the toilet holding his hand. Things had gotten to this point. He could only see a very faint blur, just barely, and he was very troubled. He didn't want to lose whatever vision he had left, so what did I tell him then, and what effect did it have on him after he followed my advice? Within 1 month and 10 days, he started seeing improvements in his vision. It was really good. Things that used to be blurry were now clear to him. He was able to read large print, but not the small print at first. Then he called me and said that there had been so much improvement. I told him to keep at it, to continue doing what I had told him, to keep following the instructions. He kept at it, and after 2 months and 18 days, he even told me the exact time his glasses were no longer needed. He was able to read even the smallest print in front of me without glasses, and he was so happy, saying, I did everything you told me, and after doing it, this happened. So that's exactly what I'm going to explain to you in detail. I can't share his name, but I can explain to you what I told him and what he did. I'm also very happy, and that's why I'm going to share all these things with you. Even the strongest glasses can be removed, and if children are having trouble, you can help them with this too. So the very first thing is your exercises. There are 2 to 3 exercises that you need to do, and you also need to practice pranayama. I had already explained this in a previous video as well, and I'll provide the link in the description box. After watching this video, make sure to check that one too to know which pranayama you should be doing. Along with that, I also told them about some other remedies, something to put in the eyes and something to put in the nose. What you need to do is get good quality almond oil, Badam Rogan, the kind that comes in a glass bottle. At night, before you go to bed, you have to put 22 drops of almond oil in your nose. After putting it in your nose, you shouldn't inhale, just breathe normally. Don't sniff it in, that's what I mean. And your pillow should be under your neck. Let me explain. When you lie down, you should position yourself in such a way that your face is up and your nose is straight. Using a dropper, put 22 drops into your nose like this, and for 5 minutes, keep your nose facing straight up. Don't do it like this or like that, just keep it straight up. To help with this, you can place the pillow directly under your neck so that your neck stays straight like this. Now, the oil you've put in, don't sniff it in, just let it go in on its own. What this will do is the oil will travel through your nose, reaching every single nerve, making them flexible and providing lubrication to the nerves that are drying out. Even the nerves of your eyes, the nerves of your brain, the nerves of your sinuses, if dryness sets into these nerves, if the nerves of your eyes become dry, you start experiencing dryness. And as this dryness gradually increases, eventually your eyes start watering. And somewhere along the way, this also damages your vision. If this dryness keeps increasing, like doctors say, the nerves have dried up, then what does drying up really mean? You're eating food, you're drinking water, so how did the nerves dry up? It's because you're not giving your body good fats, and as a result, you may even start experiencing memory loss. So good fats are essential. What you need to do is this. Every night before going to bed or even during the day, you can do this. Just remember, during the day, you need to take 10 minutes for it, and you shouldn't get up suddenly, otherwise the oil you put in your nose might come back out. Now, I'll also tell you how to make the drops for your eyes, but first, let me show you the eye exercises. Look. Some exercises should be done right after waking up, either on an empty stomach or 1 hour after eating. Here's how you should do them. First of all, look at this point here, where you put a bindi. Try to focus your gaze on it, meaning make an effort to look at this spot. After a while, keeping your eyes open will start to cause pain, and your eyes may begin to water when the pain increases and tears start to come out. At first, this will cause a lot of discomfort, but gradually, as you keep practicing, it will become normal and won't hurt as much. Immediately close your eyes and keep them closed for a little while. See, just like this, look at this point here where I am indicating, like this. You need to keep them closed for a few seconds until your eyes are completely relaxed again. And then slowly open them. You might feel a slight tearing in your eyes, and there could be some pain as well. There may also be pain in the muscles around this area of the eyes. And you need to practice this 4 to 5 times. At first, it will be for 10 to 15 seconds, starting with a short duration, and gradually the time will increase. And the pain you feel, like if you can't do it at first and there's a sudden tightness here, that will gradually start to decrease. So this is your first exercise. Now for the second exercise, you have to lift your hands and thumbs like this. See, your hands should be in a straight line like this, not up or down, but in one line. Now what do you have to do? Keep your neck completely straight and look at your thumbs with your eyes. In this way, try to focus your entire attention on your thumbs, as if you are looking only and only at your thumbs. Your neck should not move for 15 seconds, first on one side, and then for 15 seconds on the other side. You can also count for 15 seconds, then again on the first side for 15 seconds. Then on the other side, again on the first side for 15 seconds, then the other side for 15 seconds. And after that, bring your hands to the center, close your eyes and relax your hands. So for 1.5 minutes, we look to one side with our eyes first, then to the other side. We did this a total of 6 times for 15 seconds each, and after that, we will keep our eyes closed for 30 seconds, that is for half a minute. And then gently open them. So how many times should you do this? You should do this exercise 4 to 5 times. If you want, you can do it twice in the morning and twice in the evening. This exercise can also be done in this way. In the third, harder exercise, either you take your thumb like this in front of you, and you should keep it near a window where you can see far away. So pick any tree or any object that is very far away, something you can focus on, and keep one thumb very close to you like this. Now what you have to do is look at your thumb for 15 seconds first. Your focus should be on the thumb and the window should be open. First, look at your thumb. After 15 seconds, focus on that distant object, something very far away, whether it's a tree, a bird, a pole, or anything you can see that is stationary and not moving from its place. Look at that distant object for 15 seconds. Then again, look at your thumb for 15 seconds. Then look at the distant object again. Then back to the thumb again. And then again at the distant object. After that, close your eyes. You have to do this a total of 6 times. Look at your thumb, look at the distant object, and when you've done it 6 times in total, close your eyes for half a minute. You should also do this exercise 2 to 4 times, just like the ones I mentioned earlier. For the next exercise, take your thumb, move it far away first, and then slowly bring it closer and closer, very close as possible, just like this. After holding it here for at least 10 to 15 seconds, move it back again, back. After holding it here for 15 seconds, bring it close again, very close. Focus on this for a moment, then gently move it away like this, just as shown here. Do this a total of 6 times as well, and then close your eyes for half a minute. Now let's move to the next exercise. You have to place your thumb here on top of one knee and the other hand like this, as high as you can go, in line with your knee, in a straight line like this. Now what you need to do is keep your neck completely straight, aligned with your navel. First, look at the thumb that's on top. After looking at the upper thumb for 15 seconds, now look at the lower thumb. Don't move your neck, just look at the lower thumb. After that, again, look at the upper thumb for 15 seconds, then at the lower thumb for 15 seconds, then once more at the upper thumb for 15 seconds, and then at the lower thumb. After that, close your eyes. You should practice this exercise at least 2 to 4 times, and be sure to close your eyes to relax. Now, see what we have done here. The muscles of our eyes become stiff from doing the same task continuously, like staring at a computer or a mobile phone. Our ciliary muscles become stiff, and because of that, our vision starts to deteriorate, our eyes become weak, or we start to see less clearly. So exercising these muscles is important. This exercise strengthens and makes your muscles flexible. So definitely do this exercise in the way I have explained to you. Now, listen carefully to the eye drops you need to prepare. You need to take 1 spoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and 1 spoon of ginger juice, and 1 spoon of white onion juice. It should be white onion. Extract it with clean hands and collect it in a clean container. Now, with these 3 spoons, you need to add 3 spoons of organic honey to the mixture. Honey has antioxidant properties and also helps to clean the eyes. Now mix all these ingredients together and pour them into a bottle with a dropper attached. Close it tightly and keep it in the fridge. It won't spoil for about a month, and it can even last up to 2 months if stored properly. Now put 11 drops in your eyes in the morning and evening, or even 3 times a day. You need to put 11 drops in your eyes. It might sting, but that's okay. It will flush out the dirty water from your eyes. You should use 11 drops 3 times a day. It will help clean your eyes. In fact, no matter what disease or problem you have in your eyes, or if you have allergies or other issues like many people do, this will clean them completely. Use this drop and then see how quickly your weak eyesight starts to improve. The increasing power of your glasses will start to decrease. You'll notice it. And if you can do this properly for 12 months continuously, even the thickest glasses can be removed. Along with this, check out the old remedies I've shared. The video link is below. Do all these things, eat healthy green vegetables and home-cooked food, consume healthy fats, and get good sleep. If you do these things, your eyes will never get weak, nor will you need glasses. You can even remove children's glasses in the same way. I hope you really liked today's video and that you'll like and share it as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.